Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write 10-line essay on sports. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, sports are very important. Second line is, they help us stay healthy and strong. Third line is, they help us to stay active. Fourth line is, they also teach us teamwork and discipline. Fifth line is, when we play in a team, we learn how to share, help each other, and work together to win. Sixth line is, even if we don't win, playing is still fun because we learn new skills and get better each time. Seventh line is, they also help us relax. Eighth line is, after a day of studying, playing makes us feel happy and refreshed. Ninth line is, they are good for our mind and body. Last line is, they are such an important part of our lives.